Hello guys, welcome back. Video number 96. So in this video we are going to learn how to add Facebook chatbot in WordPress website. So it's a bonus video because as you can see in corona time, in covid time, in this pandemic, lots of people spending lot of time on social media. So you can connect with them directly with the help of Facebook Messenger. Yes, with the help of WordPress you can integrate your Facebook Messenger to WordPress. So how you can add so in this video I am going to teach you, so you can learn exact step by step. First of all, you must have your Facebook page. If you don't know how to create page, you can do Google or YouTube, then you can learn how to create page. And already, so I have a one of the page, so I'm trying to connect my WordPress website to my Facebook page. So this my page is already ready and I use for my personal use. So first of all, you have to click on setting. Once you select, you have to go messaging option. Okay, and same even if you can add a plugin, so we have a one plugin I'm going to add. There is one plugin, Facebook chat. You can try, you can add official Facebook this plugin. So you just need to add install official by Facebook. Even you can say here the by Facebook, just you need to add. Okay, now where is Facebook? Let me see. Where it has gone? Yeah, this one, or the official Facebook chat plugin. So we need to integrate, add setting and whatever they ask for. So there are two types of plugin you can set up through Facebook page and through plugin. So I'm sharing plugin, then later I'll be sharing with you how you can use with the help of Facebook page also. So just click setup, it asks you the pop-up. Okay, now select page. I have a lots of page, so I'm selecting. So here you need a pop-up message if somebody visits your website. So they your Autobot already ask you question like where are you located, how else I can connect, and you can ask uh, please share contact number if you want number. In case response, thank you for sharing your phone number. Our team will get back to you soon. So just save, and if you have a more question you can add. Otherwise you can customize your like you want left or right, which side you want. Okay, right and left you can do it. And bottom here, even you can choose a custom color as per the your theme requirement. Suppose I have a theme of just take an light blue, so you can use pink. Whatever the color you have, you can choose as per your business and just publish. Okay, you are published and refresh the web browser and let's see. So I'm going to see how it's working or not. Now you can see it's working. You can as a my Facebook ID is open, so even I can chat. Suppose I want to chat, continue is my ID, or even I can chat as a guest. Suppose get, yeah, hi, So I think net connection or any other issue they weren't able to connect with me. So this way you can connect. Okay, now I'm going to choose through by Facebook page. So what you need to do, go to page, then settings. In setting, after journal, there is option messaging. Okay, in messaging you just need to show greeting. Okay, and just add your website, select here. Okay, once you selected, you need to add a domain. I'm adding a domain. Okay, add domain, save. Now done. It's asking for the setup, start conversion. Setup for what? English. Okay, okay. I'm just copying. You have to do manual work for that, so I'm going to paste a code. So for code you go to appearance, then editor. In editor you have to go in your header.php file. You need to add this code. Just save. Once you're done, and just publish. Okay, now refresh the browser and see. Now you can see I have a track chat button also. Here I have a Facebook Messenger. I have just integrated. It's working fine. You can see, hello, thanks for getting in touch with us, we can help you. So you need to the first step successfully we configured. Now we have to add some question setup automation. So you can see here, setup automation. So setup automation, you have to enable instant reply. Okay, you can ask your customer questions. Okay, here you can question contact information, location. Okay, they can ask job related question, feedback relative, negative, page recommendation, whatever you want to question ask. So you have to edit message, what type of message you want. Suppose I want the message how we can help you. Or yeah, and here add customer first name. So how we can help you, visit our website, in case visit our website. Or you can add more information, please WhatsApp us. Here you can add WhatsApp number. So with the help of, they can visit your website, and just so this way you can do. Just save, and now it's working. You have all thing. You can please share email ID. Okay, now we have enabled all these feature. You can see we can use FAQs or whatever the question, predefined question. What is the best number call you, please share your email ID, how we. So you can see it's all the automation. We don't need to any use paid tool for automation. Facebook have the feature. So hope you like this video and you will try all this automation. In any case, you can message me, so I'll see you in next video.